Hey, what's up guys? This is Felix. My name is Felix. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a tail light on a 2007 Dodge Nitro. Now it's super easy. It's just two clips that you have to remove. As you can see, there's one here and one right here. So I'm gonna show you the process. You can just take a flathead screwdriver. In this case, I'm gonna be using this one. You can use any. Put right here and then it comes out. And it's stuck here with two clips too. So what you have to do is you gotta pull hard, and there it comes out. So it's that simple to remove the back tail light of a 07 Dodge Nitro. And to install, it's super simple. It's just follow the same process backwards. Just put it right here. Make sure you put the little two clips that are here. Yeah. Then what you have to do with these two clips, just put something inside here and try to open it a little bit. Okay, like this. And then you can put this one right here inside. And then you put them. So you got that side, and now do the same thing with the other one. There. So that's it guys. If this video was useful for you, please comment, like, subscribe. I'm gonna be posting a lot of videos now, so thank you guys for watching and have a great day.